Hey real estate relatives, I am your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty. And now listen, God has blessed us so immensely. Like, God has been so good. Whew, He has. He has allowed us to do real estate for years, helping many buyers, sellers, and investors. And during that time, we have heard just about every question under the umbrella of real estate. And so that is why, because we heard you, we are bringing you, starting tomorrow, we are going to kick off our Webinar Wednesday series. And that series is going to be for buyers and sellers, okay? And listen, I'm going to tell you, we've heard questions like, can I buy a house? Am I ready to buy a house? How much money do I need to make to buy a house? What will my payment look like? What's the difference between resale homes and new construction homes? What works best for me in regards to that? What about USDA, VA, FHA, and conventional? What are those loans? What's the difference between them? How do I get the best loan for me? Should I do a 15, 30, or 40-year loan? What about the divorce that I'm about to go through? Will that impact my ability to buy or sell? What about the marriage I'm about to go into? What about that bankruptcy I filed years ago? All of these questions, listen, there's never going to be an answer that is fit for everyone because every situation is different. But in this webinar, we're going to bring you every week different pieces of information that all will flow together at the very end. But at the end of each webinar, every week you will have the ability to ask questions and get live answers. Now listen, I gotta go because I gotta get ready for this webinar because it is going to be fire for 52 weeks. Yes, it will be. And so let me stop talking. Let me run along and finish preparing. But I'm going to throw the registration on the screen right now, and I will see you tomorrow. I love ya. Tomorrow.